Hi, in this video I will show you how to knit a bobble. Bobbles are the little dots or knots that you can see in this sock. They are not flat but round, which is why knitting bobbles is a good way to add a bit of texture to your knitting project. There are different ways to make a bobble. I will show you the basic technique in this video. First, knit until you get to the spot where you want to add a bobble. This is where I will knit my first bobble. Insert your needle into the stitch as if to knit and pull the yarn through. Instead of slipping the stitch off the needle, we will then insert the needle into the back loop of the same stitch and pull the yarn through. After that, insert the needle back into the stitch knitwise and pull the yarn through before you finally slip the stitch off the needle. Now we have 3 stitches on our right needle. Pull the second and third to last stitch over the last stitch. Slip the stitch back onto the left needle and knit it. That is how you knit a bobble. Don't worry, we will repeat this a few more times. In the beginning, this is all a bit much, but after a few bobbles, you will not even have to think about it when you're knitting them. I will add another bobble here. So insert your needle as if to knit and pull the yarn through. Insert the needle into the back loop of the same stitch and pull the yarn through. Insert the needle back into the stitch knitwise and pull the yarn through before you finally slip the stitch off the needle. Pull the second and third to last stitch over the last stitch. Slip the stitch back onto the left needle and knit it. There are some variations on how many times you knit the bobble before you slip it off the needle and on how many times you knit it before you move on to the next stitch. That mostly depends on how big the bobble is supposed to be, but the main idea is the same. I will show you a few more bobbles. If you want to know how to knit the rest of this sock, you can find the link to the pattern in the video description below. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.